Welcome to Razorpay. Razorpay is the easiest way to accept and process digital payments for businesses in India. In this video, you will learn to integrate the Razorpay payment gateway with your iOS app. Before we begin, you must complete a few steps. Visit razorpay.com and sign up for an account. Log into the Razorpay dashboard and generate API keys in test mode. Download and save the API keys in your system. Now, let's integrate the Razorpay payment gateway with your iOS app in the test mode. This will create a sandbox environment where you can do a test run of your integration. To do this, you must complete a few steps. Import the Razorpay iOS Standard SDK library. Initialize the Razorpay iOS Standard SDK. Integrate with Orders API in server side. Pass payment options and display checkout form. Handle success and error events. We have created a test app called Tea Factory which helps customers to order green tea. We will be integrating the Razorpay payment gateway with this app. This will help customers to make payments through the app. Open the Razorpay iOS Standard SDK documentation. The documentation is available on razorpay.com/docs. Step 1. Import the Razorpay iOS Standard SDK library. Visit the link given on the screen to download the iOS SDK file. Open your iOS app project in Xcode. In this video, we are using Xcode version 11.2.1. Go to File in the menu options. Select Add Files to your project. Select razorpay.framework in the directory you just unzipped and enable the Copy Items if needed option against destination. Click on the target and navigate to General Settings. The razorpay.framework file appears added in Frameworks, Libraries and Embedded Content section. Change embed status from Do Not Embed to Embed and Sign. Step 2. Initialize the Razorpay iOS Standard SDK. To initialize the Razorpay iOS Standard SDK, you need API keys and a delegate that implements Razorpay Payment Completion Protocol. Remove the existing code below Import UI Kit. Copy and paste this code in your Xcode's viewcontroller.swift file. Step 3. Integrate with Orders API. Orders help in binding multiple payment attempts against a single order ID and automatically change the status of payments to captured. You can integrate orders in your server side using the Orders API. Ensure that the order ID is generated dynamically and sent to the checkout payload that you will be adding in your app. You must make provisions to verify the payment signature that will be returned by Razorpay on every successful payment. Pass payment options and display checkout form. Add the checkout payload code to your viewcontroller.swift file. You can make changes to the checkout code as per your business requirements. For example, you can change the logo, name, amount, and more. Handle success and error events. You must define how to handle events when the payment is a success or a failure with appropriate error messages. Add the code to handle success, failure, and cancellation events. Let us run this build and check the iOS simulator. Checkout appears automatically when the app is opened. You can make a test payment and check how the success or failure events are handled. Optional step, open checkout at the click of a button. You can configure the checkout form to appear when a button on your app is clicked. Open your app's storyboard and drag and drop the button. In the code that appears, add the self.showPaymentForm function as shown. Build the app to test whether the button opens the checkout. This completes the integration of the payment gateway with your iOS app. In case of any queries, please contact the Razorpay support team. Thank you for watching this video.